Welcome to Mr. Nat's Maths. Okay, today we're going to look at what happens when we place digits on a place value chart and we start multiplying by 10 or dividing by 10. Okay, so let's start with something very, very simple using this place value chart. Okay, if I put two ones in here, or 2 units, if I multiply 2 by 10, we know that we get 20. And when we write 20, we put 2 in the tens column and we put 0 in the ones column to show that we've got no ones, but we've got 2 tens. So we can see, in effect, it looks like the number 2 moved across one column to the left. So every time we multiply by 10, we're multiplying by 10, we move one column to the left. If I can just squeeze it in at the top there. Okay, this direction would be saying we're multiplying by 10. Okay, so if I have any number, like let's say I got, 478. 478. If I want to multiply that number by 10, I multiply each of those digits. So I've got 400 multiplied by 10, which becomes 4,000. I got 70 multiplied by 10, which becomes 700. And I got 8 times 10, which becomes 80. And I've got nothing down here below that. So nothing times 10 is still nothing. So I've got no ones. So 478 times by 10 is 4,780. Okay? Now I could do the same thing in the other direction. Let's start with our 20. What is 20 divided by 10? Okay, actually I'm going to run out of space there, I can see, so I'm going to rub those out. If I've got 20, what's 20 divided by 10? Hopefully we know by now that that is 2. So you can see now that the 2 tens divided by 10 became 2 ones. So they moved one column to the right. So if I put an arrow up here like this direction means divided by 10. Okay. So if I take a larger number like I had just now, what was the number I had? I don't know. 482, was it? 487? Doesn't matter, whatever the number is. Okay. And I follow this rule that when I divide by 10, I'm moving this direction to the right with my digits. So 400 divided by 10 is 40. 80 divided by 10 is 8. And 7 divided by 10, and in fact, it even looks like that, doesn't it? We could write it over here. Let's just write it over here for a minute. 7 divided by 10 is 7 tenths, right? So that 7 divided by 10 becomes 7 tenths. It becomes a 7 in the tenths column after the decimal point. So we can see then clearly that when we multiply by 10, all the digits in the number move one column to the left. When we divide by 10, all the digits in the number move one column to the right. Okay, that's it for now. I hope that helps with your math lesson today. Have fun, enjoy. Bye for now. Cheers.